The Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K, Sangma, launched the state's new digital disaster and relief monitoring system DRMS on Thursday, aimed at improving the speed, transparency and accountability of disaster management operations. The event was held at the Cabinet Room in Shillong and saw the participation of senior officials, deputy commissioners and departmental representatives. During the launch, the Chief Minister stressed the importance of a responsive and efficient relief system for communities affected by disasters. He stated that timely action during crises was critical and emphasized that the new digital system would help eliminate delays and bureaucratic obstacles. According to him, the DRMS represented a significant move toward a fully paperless and digital disaster response process in the state of Meghalaya. The system, developed by the Revenue and Disaster Management Department in collaboration with National Informatics Centre Meghalaya, has been designated as the mandatory platform for handling all relief-related applications under the State and National Disaster Response Funds, SDRF and NDRF. Officials explained that the DRMS incorporates several key features, including real-time reporting of disasters, automated workflow for faster coordination among officials, direct fund disbursement through the Public Financial Management System or PFMS, and advanced data analytics for improved planning. It was also mentioned that the system officially came into effect on the 1st of April 2025 and will be applicable for a range of natural disasters such as floods, landslides, cyclones and earthquakes. Authorities noted that training would be provided to district administrations and related departments to ensure the smooth operation of the platform. With the introduction of the DRMS, the state government reaffirmed its commitment to leveraging technology to strengthen disaster resilience and enhance relief delivery mechanisms.
Issues related to revenue and disaster management. It will streamline the process for us. It will fasten up the process for us. It will make it more systematic. And at the end of the day, it will make sure that we are able to provide the relief in a much more faster way to the people who need it at the most difficult times. This, of course, software is something, and the application is something that is going to be a process. We'll keep developing it, we'll keep improving it, and for that you require feedback from all the officials right up to the grassroots level. We want positive feedback on how we can improve this. But an app is only as good as it is being used, and technology also is only as good as it is used. So therefore, I would want to ask all the BDOs and the deputy commissioners that every single beneficiary details, everything from now onwards must come through this platform. So therefore, I once again congratulate everyone for the successful launch of the disaster and relief monitoring system, and this is again another step forward in our endeavor to ensure that timely relief is given to the people, and this will go, as I said, a long way in fulfilling our desire, our goal and our objective to be able to serve the people in a far more efficient and effective manner. So wishing all of you the very best. Once again, thanking all the BDOs for joining, all the districts for joining in,